We finished our furloughs, yeah. We finished our furloughs, yeah. We finished our furloughs, yeah. And don't it feel good? Woo! Okay, guys. So, are you lot going on with your furloughing claims? Over to the mood, because we're quite smug here.
Thank you very much, Serena. That's very kind of you. So, it's that F word again. We've talked about what to do, how to do it, paperwork, working out the numbers, and from Monday gone, it's getting on there with thousands of other people and making the claims. A few things that we've learned through the process. Number one, if you've got everything together, the actual claim submission is relatively straightforward. If you haven't got it together, you've got a very limited window. Number two, things that they don't necessarily tell you in the guides. Make sure you've got the address that your bank account is associated with, otherwise computer says, we might take it, but we're going to reject it later on. Number three, make sure the numbers are actually correctly calculated, otherwise you're going to have a clawback there as well. We've done it, money coming to our client's bank account, we've got another round of claims to come in a few weeks' time. Guys, if you need any help, give us a shout. Failing that, enjoy the F word.
Okay, guys, so good luck with your furlough claims. Till next time, ciao.
Ciao.
Forgot to introduce yourself, didn't I?